Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how I get down, I get straight to the point. If you are jumping someone else's vehicle and you see that the jumper cables are smoking, or if you see that the battery of the person you're jumping is smoking, or your battery, stop trying to jump the car. Take your jumper cables off immediately. I had a customer today. I was working on his BMW. It has 2 batteries in it, and his battery was completely dead, so I was trying to charge it up, and I got it enough for it to start to crank over. The customer needed a new engine. The engine was spinning, but it had a lot of resistance in it because it had internal damage in it from overheating. I told the customer to get a engine, and that was the end of it. But I did have my jumper cables on because I was getting my tools and stuff back in all my diagnostic machines. The customer decided to get in the car and crank and crank and crank and crank and crank and crank. I look over and I can see the cables smoking in my car, starting to do some weird stuff because his vehicle was drawing too many amperage and his battery just wasn't strong enough. So it was drawn on my vehicle as it was running. It could have destroyed both of our vehicles. It could have melted the jumper cables because they were really hot. I could barely touch them, and I can see everything starting to smoke. So if you're in this situation, stop trying to start your car. Stop immediately. Go and get yourself a new battery and move forward. If not, the person who's jumping you is going to be in the same situation you are in. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.